Your girl's face is the beats, okay? Yes! Hey guys, it's Brie here with my first makeup tutorial for 2019, and for my brows that I'll be starting off by doing, I'll be using this brow pomade by the Crayon Case, and I'm just going to go ahead and sculpt out my brows and get them nice and perfect. And by the way, every other products that I'll be using for this video is by the Crayon Case too, so shout out to Super for that, because when I tell y'all these products are bomb, y'all, they are bomb, okay? So yeah, so I'll go ahead and fill out my brows, and once I'm done with that, I'll take some concealer that is by Mabeline, and I will begin to clean up my brows. So the brush that I'm using in this to clean up my brows is the concealer brush by the Crayon Case as well. I usually don't use this brush to clean up my brows. I use a smaller brush, but this was just the one that I picked up. I usually only use this brush to do my cut crease when I'm getting ready to apply my eyeshadow. But I actually like the way it applies, so I may just start doing this in the future. And there we go, brows are done. So I'm going to take that same concealer by Mabeline, and I am going to use it as an eyebrow base. Okay, so I am going to be using these two palettes from the Crayon Case, the box of crayons and the Watch Me blush palette. So I'll be starting off with 3 different colors. I planned on using tangerine, hot cocoa I think it's called, and berries. So first I'll take tangerine and I'll apply that to my upper crease, my upper lid, I don't know, my transition shade pretty much. So I'll apply that right below my brow at the very top, and blend it out. So what I like to do is kind of just like pack it on, and then I'll blend it out. And for me, this just ensures that the color is very pigmented. And you don't have to use much product for this for these eyeshadows either. They apply so easy, and they are very easy to use as well. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to take berries and go into my crease area, and again I'll pack it on, and then I will blend it out. So once I'm done with that, I like to go back with that first shade and just like blend out that color, just so there's not any sharp edges. Okay guys, so I'm done with that, and I'm going to take this highlighter by the Crayon Case in the color 29, and I'm going to apply that to my lid area to do my cut crease. So what I like to do is I like to apply it right in the middle, then kind of look up. So what that does is it just kind of helps you see where your crease is, and just kind of go above it. Because if you have hooded lids like I do, it's kind of hard to have your eyeshadow to where it's not, to where it's hard to see. So doing this, it just ensures that I am applying my eyeshadow right above my crease area to kind of make my eyes look bigger, if that makes sense. And when you're doing this, guys, you want to make sure that you're taking your time, because this can be a tedious job. It takes a while. So if you want that perfect cut crease, just take your time. Okay guys, so now I am done with that. I'm going to go in with strawberry cream and old banana for my lid colors. So first I'll apply the old banana in my inner corner of my eye. It's like a pretty gold color. And then I will go in with my strawberry cream right next to it.
Both side. All right, go sit down. What you want? You kiss. You kiss. Now go sit down. Now go sit down. Go sit down. Bye. Go ahead. Stop. Get out. Get out my room.
Okay guys, so here's that pretty pink color. It is called strawberry cream, and like I said earlier, I'll just apply it right next to old banana, which is that pretty gold color. So once I'm done with that, guys, I like to go in with like a small blending brush and just kind of blend those colors together. Okay, so next what I'd like to do is I get a smaller crease brush and I like to go on my outer corner, and for this color in this area, I'll be going in with that same berry color that I had used for my crease, just to kind of you know, make it blend better. Like, I don't know what I'm doing with these colors, y'all. I'm literally just winging it. So I figured, you know, this would be cute. So I'm just going with the flow as I apply these colors, and I think it is coming out pretty well. So yeah, just take that same color that I went in with my crease with and apply it to my outer crease. Okay, so once I have that blended out, guys, I'm going to take another crease brush, but this one is more pointy, and I'm going to go in with that berry color again, right on top of my crease, just to define that color in the area a little more, because earlier I noticed that I blended it a little too much and I want it to be very defined. And you guys can actually see the difference from this eye to this eye.
Look what my son just did. Look at this. Y'all see why I can't get stuff done? He done tore my freaking palette up. Like, good thing I didn't use this for this look that I'm doing, because I would have been pissed. Look at this. Like, how can I fix this? If y'all know how, get out of my room with that. Get out. If y'all know how I can fix this, let me know, because right now I'm just about ready to cry. I can't even look at it. Like,
okay guys, so now I'll be going in with a black eyeliner. I'll be using a pencil first. It's not even like a pencil, it's more like a crayon-y wax type. I call it a pencil, so we're just gonna say pencil. So I'm going to go in with my black pencil for my eyeliner, and then when I'm done with that, I like to go in there with a liquid eyeliner, just so it can be more pigmented and it actually lasts longer. Because with the pencil by itself, if I rub my eye or something, it tends to you know, come off easily. So going in with my liquid eyeliner after or on top of it, it just kind of, you know, it makes it look better as well. So now actually I plan on buying the liquid eyeliner by the Crayon Case, but at the time of purchasing all of my products, they had sold out. So when I get a chance, I will be buying that because I'm very excited to see how it works. Okay guys, so I'm done with both of my eyes, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. So what I like to do first is I like to prime my face. I usually forget a lot, but I try not to forget, so I prime my face first, and then I'll be going with my foundation, L'Oreal True Match. I don't remember what shade this is in, but I will leave all of the products in the description box that I am using for this look. So right here you will see me cleaning up my my wing liner. So what I like to do is just take my foundation and just kind of clean it up, and then I'll blend it out. I haven't mastered being able to do a wing without having to clean it up, so this is just what works for me. And guys, in this video I will not be highlighting or contouring. I haven't mastered that yet, and honestly I don't really go for the whole, I just feel like that's a bit much for like every day. And I actually went out on a limb doing these colors because I'm more of a natural colored person, I guess. Is that the word I'm looking for? I don't know, but I usually go for like nude colors. That's the word I'm looking for. So nude colors. So the fact that I'm actually, you know, experimenting and branching out, trying different colors and stuff is very exciting. So, you know, I'll be practicing on my highlighting and contouring just because I feel like that's something I do want to learn in the future. But as of now, you know, I don't really care about all that stuff, so I'll just be applying foundation, and that is it. So once I apply my foundation, I like to go in with a concealer up under my eyes just to kind of cover the dark circles before I apply my bottom colors to my lash line and my eyeliner to my waterline. Okay guys, so for my shadows for my under eye, I'm going to be using Tangerine and Berries. Those are the same two colors that I used at the beginning for my transition and my crease. So I just take the berry color and I apply it to like my outer under lash line, and then the tangerine color towards the inner eyelash line. Okay guys, so right here I'll just be using that same color I used for my same color I would use for my eyeliner at the top. I'm going to go in at the bottom to apply it to my waterline. And I'm not a big eyelash person. I haven't mastered doing the whole fake lash thing either, so I'll just go in with a little mascara just to kind of clean up my eyelashes, because with all of the colors, it tends to get on your lashes. So just to give my lashes back its color and to make them pop a little more, I'll use mascara. So for my lips, guys, I like to make sure I always apply like a chapstick or something prior to applying lipstick or lip gloss. So for this, I'll be using my color pencil by the Crayon Case in the color, I think it's a brown color. I don't know if it's a specific name for it or not, but it's brown. And then I'll be going in with my lip gloss by Crayon Case. It is in the color Clean Kisses. And there we go, guys. This is the finished look of this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below.